Hello everybody and welcome in this new video. Today I will show you how to use the prefill form. So this is about taking information from a form, filling one form on one page and then to retrieve this information on another form on another page. So this is useful, for example, for movers businesses. For example, here I have a place XYZ, and here I have TYU. I pick a date, so for example, 27. I ask for a code. I wait. I'm redirected to this page, and you can see instantly I have XYZ, TYU, and the date, and I also can change the date again with the date picker. Okay, and I can submit this new form. I can go back home, and here we are. So this is very simple to build, but very useful. So and you will have the clonable available in the description, of course. Okay, so here we are. So we can take from this page. So just create a form, okay, and have this field here. Okay, so we have the form, you have the field that you need. Here we have three boxes and I have the submit button. So first on the form, make sure that you have an ID. Okay, here it's initial form. Make sure to have the redirect URL, okay, to the page you have the main form. Okay, here it's form page. We have the code here that you will retrieve into the clonable. So we have two codes here, I will show you. So the code for the prefill script is here. Okay, this is the first code. So we have the initial form here ID, okay, that I told you from the form, okay. Make sure that you are on the div block form. Then you have other IDs here that I will show you where it is. It's for each text, each fields here. And you will have, of course, the same IDs on the other page, on the other form. Okay. And if you want to add other values, you just have to duplicate those lines. Okay, if you need help because you don't know how to code from zero, you can ask ChatGPT. It will answer with efficiency if you want just to add another input. Okay, so you just have to duplicate those lines here, as many as you need. So here, so you can see here this text field, I have the ID start place, here end place, and here date. Okay, so it's better to use text field, okay, but it can take any kind of information. You can see that with the date, it will retrieve the information with the three entries for the numbers and put it again into the other field. And here on the page for the date picker, so I have the code here, but I suggest you to follow the Flowbase tutorial here. Okay, so you have everything explained. It's very, very simple. You just have to copy paste literally and having a bit of knowledge on the CSS to custom the date picker. But this is very easy. Don't be afraid by the quantity of the code here. It's just a copy pasting and everything is very clear with the CSS. Okay, so you have everything like the font size, the radius for the borders and the colors. You just have to tweak some few parameters and it works very, very well. And it's very simple. I will give you the link also into the description with our services at Joken Studio. So for the date picker, it's just simply that. I add it on the both page and it works perfectly with the code I give you for the prefilling forms. So once you have set up everything on this page, you have to make your main form on the second page here. That is our form page. And for each text field here, you will have to retrieve the ID, start place, end place, date. So of course the ID can be changed. You can put whatever you need. It depends of course of your form. And it doesn't matter as in the code you change this ID. Okay, so it has to be the same for each input. And that's it. You are set up for prefilling form and you can now build amazing websites. I hope this helps you. If you have questions, do not hesitate to do it in the commentaries. If you like this kind of videos, you can subscribe to the channel to not miss the next ones, and to put a like to help us to have a bit of visibility. So I hope you enjoy this clonable and see you later. Bye bye.